Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I decided to do a wear test and a review and a comparison on the new e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer that's going around YouTube. Ever since Jeffree Star approved this primer yesterday, I was like, you know what? I need to get my hands on it, so that's what I did. I was chasing it. If you follow me on social media, then you know. Guys, before we get started into the review portion of today's video, I just want to let you guys know that in tomorrow's video, I do have a full face of Jeffree Star approved makeup in case you guys are interested in seeing that, which is going to be crazy because I am going to be trying out a lot of the stuff that he has approved: foundation, concealer, powder, primer, everything. And I do try this again in that video with a different foundation. So also do a check-in as well on this primer, and I also let you guys know if I think it's a dupe for the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Before we get started, if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family and you'd like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below so you don't miss out on future uploads. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so YouTube alerts you when I do upload a video. Hey guys, with that being said, if you want to know my thoughts on the Jelly Pop Dew Primer by e.l.f., or if you want to know if it's a dupe for the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so before we jump into the application, I'm going to read a little bit about the primer itself. So this is the Jelly Pop Dew Primer by e.l.f. It does have a 4.1 star rating on their website. It also retails for $10 even. It says, do you want to know our secret? This multitasking primer has a unique gel texture that works like glue to grip makeup to ensure it stays put. It's packed with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid and I'm gonna butcher that word, niacinamide, niacinamide, and a powerful blend of antioxidants. Your skin will be looking and feeling its very best. So it has hyaluronic acid, it has niacinamide, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and it also has a watermelon extract. I don't know if you guys have seen, but this primer has gone a little viral because of Jeffree Star's video where he tested out the whole collection that came in like the little mini fridge. I am excited to try this out and see for myself if it actually feels like glue and if it's gonna make my makeup last or whatever. So we are gonna be doing a little bit of a wear test in today's video. For some weird reason, the packaging just calls out my name. It looks very, very beautiful. I actually really like it. It also feels and it looks very luxurious. It has a pump, which is crazy, I know. So it is a clear formula. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some. I'm gonna take 2 pumps because why not? I'm extra like that, so you know. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Ooh, feels like I'm applying candy. It does have a smell. It does smell like when it's super tacky. Huh. It does smell like watermelon, but it's not like overpowering. Like it's not too strong. I can take the smell. It actually smells really good. It's almost like hard, not hard, but it's almost like, since it's very sticky, it's almost like, I don't know, like weird to blend out. I feel like this is one of those primers that you have to tap into your skin rather than like blend out, if that makes sense. So I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but there is some type of like shine, some type of like dew coming from within, and it's definitely the primer because I didn't have anything prior to that. It feels very tacky. It's almost reminding me of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer in that sense that it feels like super tacky. I'm excited to see how foundation is going to apply on top of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup, come back, give you guys a little bit of a check-in, let you guys know how all of the products applied on top of the primer. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face makeup. Now, let's just say that this did not leave my skin dewy. Like I thought it was dewy. Like I thought it was going to be like a dewy primer, you know, because it says dew primer, but it actually did not leave my skin feeling dewy or anything like that, which is very, very strange. My skin looks flawless. My makeup looks flawless. Everything stayed in place. The foundation blended out really nicely, but I did went ahead and used my holy grail Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place, which is a more mattifying foundation. So I'm curious to see how it holds up with the primer. I want to say everything was pretty much very easy to blend on top of it. Like I said, it did have a tacky base to it, so I feel like everything adhered better onto my skin. Like the foundation sticked on like glue, and I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with my makeup right now. Let's see if in a couple hours my thoughts change. So I want to say like a month ago, the Hydro Grip primer by Milk was actually like going around the tube, and it was also like online and everybody was talking about it. So I actually went to Sephora to grab a sample size, and I did try it out, so I kind of know my thoughts on that one. And let's just say that the Jelly Pop one reminds me of it. Now the Hydro Grip primer did make my makeup last a really long time. In my opinion, they both have that like tacky consistency, so I feel like that's what's helping all of the products like stick together, like my foundation, you know, stick together. So as far as the Milk Hydro Grip primer, it did help the longevity of my makeup. Everything looked flawless within hours. So we'll see how this one holds up, right? But right now I am obsessed with it. I love it. Yeah, I love it. So we'll see. I'm on my way to a baby shower, so once I get back, I'll let you guys know how it lasted, how my skin looks. You guys are going to be able to see it on camera in a second. So I'm going to let you guys go, and obviously I'll catch you guys in a couple of hours, but for you guys it's going to be like a second with the power of editing. So I'll catch you guys in a... Alright guys, I am back from the baby shower, and let's just say that I've had my makeup on for a good couple of hours already. It's 10 p.m. right now. This is what my face is looking like. I know my hair is gone, I know, but overall, let me look up close, you guys. Despite my lipstick being gone, like I know it's gone, but as far as my actual face, like the foundation, I am, what do I have right here? Well, so freaking impressed. Like I am impressed with this primer right here. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but I have no creasing at all, nothing around my nose, which is normally like my problematic area, and then my pores are like nowhere to be seen. Like my makeup looks good. Let me remove these lashes, you guys, because it's been a long day. Whew. I have to give this primer a 10 out of 10. I definitely do think that it is a dupe for the Hydro Grip primer by Milk Makeup. So definitely, if you have been trying to get your hands on that primer, or you want to get your hands on that primer, I suggest you don't spend your money and you give this a go. Towards the beginning of the video, when I first applied it, it has such a sticky base. It almost does feel like glue, how they describe it. But because of the word dew in it, I thought it was going to give me like a dewy kind of finish, you know what I mean? That's not the case. I am matte. I am like super matte. This right here is highlight. Like it's not dew or anything. Like my forehead is matte, my nose is pretty nice and matte. Like the foundation, like I don't know how to explain it, but like the foundation like got a grip, you know what I mean? Like, so definitely I do recommend this primer. I feel like everyone should try it, no matter the skin type that you are. If you're looking for a good primer that's just going to make your makeup last hours, then I really do recommend this. I don't know if this collection is like limited edition or something like that. It was very hard for me to get the primer, so if you can get your hands on it, then I really recommend you do. Try it out for yourself. $10 is not a lot for a good primer. If it was to be bad, then okay, but it's actually a really good, super sticky, gluey primer. Here in Vegas, it was like over 100 degrees, and I was very surprised because, like I said, I did go to a baby shower, and my makeup just looks so freaking good. Let me know if you're going to pick this up. Let me know if you've already tried it. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let us know. We want to know what you think of it. And let's just say that e.l.f. is one of my all-time favorite brands. It's a brand that hopefully one day, let's pray to God, in the future I can work with, because I love a lot of their products. And yeah guys, with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. That way I know that you guys like it when I review products and I do wear tests on products and stuff like that. Also, subscribe to our channel if you're not yet a part of our T Squad family, and click that bell right next to it so YouTube alerts you when I upload tomorrow's video. But yeah guys, with that being said, I will catch you guys very soon in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.